Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be doing a show and tell on this wig, so if you want to see, stick around and check it out.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego.
So today I'm doing a quick show and tell on this UNice wig from Amazon. This is my second time doing a review for them and I am totally loving their hair. This is a headband wig. I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to glue, I didn't have to customize, bleach knots and all that because it is a headband wig. So let me get into some of the specs of this wig. It is 14 inches. It is a headband wig. It's 150% density. Human hair. It's body wave. It's very easy to wear, style, and install. It took me less than 60 seconds. It is human hair. Like I said, it is from UNice on Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you'll probably get your wig within 2 days. It came with this headband, and most headband wigs do come with headbands, but I'm loving the print on this headband. So I can't wait. I'm not going anywhere today, but I can't wait to wear this out. I'm loving the print on it. Yeah, I'm loving the wave on this hair. So I didn't put any product. I didn't flat iron, curl. I didn't even brush. I just put it on and here you have it.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I tell them.
It was very easy to run my fingers through, and right now the way it would, like, I'm looking into my monitor of my camera and it seems extremely dark. So I hope you guys can see. If not, here's the look. It looks better with my light dim. So you know what? I have a bob wig that my mom really likes that I never wore, only did a review for. But I wanted to keep it because I really loved it. But now that I'm trying this one on, she can definitely have that and I will keep this one. It is soft. The body wave, a lot of body wave wigs are not created equal. Some of them come and they're kind of straight, but this one definitely, let me show you guys a close-up look. No, I really hope you guys can see because my lighting, I'm upstairs in my room and I have my ring light, but it's kind of, you know. Yeah, I definitely love this wig. So make sure you guys check out UNice. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? This wig is very affordable. Like I said, it is UNice through Amazon. It comes with a free headband. It has adjustable straps as well as it has combs. It has adjustable strap. It's very beginner friendly. The price is, if you're on a frugal income, if you want to save your coins, this is one to definitely check out. It seems like it's gonna have some longevity and I can't wait to rock this out. I'm definitely loving this headband, so make sure you guys check them out. Thumbs up if you're not a subby. Click on the bell button for notifications, so as soon as I upload a video you'll get a notification to your phone or email. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and until next time.